What are comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjectives to compare two things, people, or places. We want to see the difference between them. Rule 1. Short adjectives. For short adjectives with one syllable, we add er to the end of the adjective. For example, old becomes older, fast, faster, cold, colder. The word than is often used in a sentence. My house is smaller than your house. I am older than my brother. A rabbit is faster than a turtle. Winter is colder than fall. Rule 2. Long adjectives. For long adjectives, we do not add er. We put the word more before the adjective. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. The word than is often used in a sentence. Jimmy is more clever than Tom. A car is more expensive than a bike. Pizza is more delicious than a salad. Sneakers are more comfortable than high heels. Rule number 3. Adjectives ending in y. For adjectives ending in y, you should change the y to I and add er. For example, happy becomes happier, funny, funnier, pretty, prettier. The word then is often used in a sentence. Ted is happier than Max. History is easier than math. Exceptions. Irregular forms. Some very common adjectives do not follow the rules. You must remember these special comparative forms. Good, better. Bad, worse. Far, farther, or further. The new laptop works better than the old laptop. The weather today is worse than it was yesterday. The park is farther than the school. Practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct comparative form. The car arrives earlier than the bus. This movie is more exciting than that movie. Today is warmer than yesterday. The green shirt looks better than the red shirt.